Hi friends, welcome to Queens Collection. A warm hello from Team Queens. Today I brought you an excellent range of ready-made dresses ranging from 1700 to 3700. The fabrics what I'm going to show you today are in silks and georgettes, and they can be used for daily wears as well as fancy and party wears. So varieties are really excellent, and before that, please take care of your health and health of your family members. And the first dress what I'm going to show you today is in red color. This is totally in raw silk dress with Banarsi buttas inside, black color Banarsi buttas, and beautiful embroidery done on the neck part. Excellent work done on the neck, and you'll have a chudi bottom along with this. It's in silk chudi bottom. It's not in legging. It's in silk chudi bottom, and you can see the dupatta. It's beautiful dupatta, totally embroidered dupatta with flowers, embroidered flowers scattered throughout the dupatta. And the range for this one is 1670. Got two excellent colors in this. I've shown the red color already. This is a navy blue color with maroon color bottom and chunni, and raw silk maroon color top. You can see the embroidery combination, also beautiful embroidery combination with raw silk embroidery top, and again you will have a silk dupatta along with this with embroidery butta scattered through it, and you will have a maroon color chudi bottom. So excellent variety, and size available in this are L and XL, and price is 1670. The size prices might vary as per the sizes. The next variety what I am showing you is in again in silk variety, silk material, different variety altogether. This one is also, you will have beautiful yellow color top with peach color embroidery and mirror work over it, and you will see small mirror work scattered throughout the dress, and you can see a straight bottom along with this. You'll have a straight bottom along with this, and straight bottom is also having mirror work at the end, and you will have this as we are using this pink color thread, same color dupatta you will have in this with dewdrops. So excellent variety in silk base, straight cut bottom. Price is only 1670. It's only 1770. Got two colors in this. Both the colors are really excellent. If you want to go in for something bright color, you can go in for this one, and if you're going for something light color, you can go in for this one actually. And all the pieces are with sleeves. We'll attach the sleeves and send it to your place. We have got in-house tailoring available at our place, and worldwide shipping facilities also available. And range wise, it's quite reasonable. It's only 1670 range. It's totally different concept, different variety. Don't miss the collections, as the collections are really gorgeous, really wonderful, and the color combination is also very unique. See, different variety. Range is also quite reasonable, 1770 range only. Next variety what I'm showing is equally good. This one is also very beautiful concept. In this also I've got two color combinations. I'll show you both the color combinations. So it's the yellow piece, and you can see the very well defined work at the neck, very neat, sober, decent work at the neck, and you'll have this nice bottom also along with this statement bottom. Mostly what I'm showing you today are in statement bottom concepts only. The statement bottom, and you'll have an excellent blue color dupatta along with this. So the bottom and chunni are in contrast with the dress, and the range for this one is 1840 range, and got one more color in this, just opposite combination. In this you have the yellow top with blue bottom, and in this you have got the blue top with yellow bottom. So both the colors are really good. You can go in the color which color you do not have in your wardrobe, and the color and the work in this one is also totally very well defined, very neat, very decent work. It can be used for party wears, office wear, good for all occasions. Again a straight bottom, and dupatta will come again in contrast. So beautiful varieties, don't miss the collections, and size available only L and XL. This is 1810 range. Next variety what I'm showing you, again a very beautiful concept in straight cuts. Nice panel type embroidery done at the center, and side you'll have this nice flower kind of embroidery. So different embroidery, and the color is also totally different. Again I'm telling you, sleeves, we have got sleeves. We'll attach them and send it to you in case you like them. And this bottom with, you'll have nice buttons at the fancy buttons at the end, and you'll have a very beautiful dupatta, silk dupatta with ikat print over it. You can see the color combination wise variety, it looks totally elegant. Next piece what I'm showing is a beautiful gown. What I'm showing you, range of this is quite reasonable. We have got many other varieties similar to these in the store. In a span of around about 20-25 minutes we cannot show you all the varieties, so this is just for an idea sake what I'm showing you. This is a beautiful gown with a beautiful white color embroidery done at the neck as well as the back. This is the pattern at the back also. And you'll have this chudi bottom along with this, and the dupatta. And the range for this one is only 1890 range. Got many other similar kind of patterns. If you like to, we can show in video call. And next variety what I'm showing is again a very different variety. Beautiful concept. This will come in silk variety, and you've got embroidery butta scattered throughout the front. Small embroidery butta scattered throughout the front. You can see, and you can have a look at the work done at the neck. Beautiful work done at the neck, and equally good dupatta you'll have along with this. You'll have this Bani dupatta, beautiful Bani dupatta. Range is quite reasonable. It's only 1930 range. I've got more 2 colors in this. You can have a look at the color. This is the yellow color what I've shown you. This is the biscuit color, and this is the bluish color. All the 3 colors are really different. The concept is really good. You can take whichever color you do not have. Very beautiful concept. Next variety what I'm showing is also very different concept. This one is also, you'll have very beautiful sleeves. You might not be having dress with this kind of sleeves. The neck pattern is also very different, very decent. You have very different kind of neck pattern done, and small embroidery butta given at the end of the pattern, and this is beautiful sleeves. Again here straight cut bottom concept, as this bottom straight cut bottom is in now, and this is the dupatta. So excellent variety, full dupatta chiffon with all small embroidery butta scattered throughout the dupatta, and range for this one is 1990 range. Got L and XL 2 size available. Prices might vary as per the sizes. So this is one more blue color. So both the colors are really good, really excellent. You can see the work on the sleeves, they're really good. And this is the dupatta along with this. So concept is very different. Again a straight point bottom. Both the colors are really good, and range is quite reasonable, 1990 range only. Next variety what I'm showing is again a gown concept. Beautiful gown, lovely variety, decent combination. See, this is the front. The work is given in self, so it looks even more decent, and with support of sequence work. This is the front, this is the back part, and range for this one is quite reasonable, 2090 range only. I got one more color in this. So you got 2 colors. If you want a pink, you can go for the pink one. If you want the blue, you can go for the blue. Bluish green, actually not exactly blue, bluish green. So both the colors are really different. Next concept what I'm showing is again a totally different concept altogether. Nice Chanderi silk fabric. Over that you got sequence work, embroidery scattered, small buttas all over the dress, and beautifully designed sleeves. Nice heavy border at the sleeves and nice, very decent work on the neckline also. So the top is very good, very decent, very different, and you got the straight bottom with this again. And you can have a look at the dupatta. Dupatta comes in organza material, printed digital print organza material dupatta, whole big dupatta with side Banarsi border you'll have in dupattas. You can have a look at the piece. It's very different, and the range of this one is 2180 only, and size available L and XL 2 size available. In similar concept I've got in white color also, white with golden thread embroidery over it. So piece itself looks very rich, very decent, and nice beautiful mirror work done on the neckline also, neck pattern, neck also, and you've got 3/4 sleeves along with this, and again a straight point bottom, and very different dupatta along with this. The combination is also very nice, cream with peach combination, really looks very rich. And this is the Banarsi dupatta along with this, or digital print Banarsi dupatta. You can have a look at the dress. It looks very amazing for a range of 2180. It's a totally different variety. And next variety what I'm showing you, it's again a different concept. You have got this variety in georgette material. Nice georgette material top you will have with sequence work embroidery throughout the top. Nice embroidery butta, heavy butta at the center, and you will have this pink color buttons at the center. Matching to it you will have in this divided sharara bottom, which looks like a skirt when you wear it. Very big sharara bottom which looks like a skirt when you wear it, and you will have this very beautiful dupatta also along with this. This is the dupatta along with this beautiful dupatta. In this I've got one more color combination. You have seen this pink with blue, blue and pink combination, and this is blue and green combination. So both the combinations are really good, really different, really unique combinations. If you do not have these combinations, you can go in for these. The variety is totally different. Again green color buttons, you'll have this divider bottom along with this, and you'll have this chunni along with this. So concept wise pieces totally different. Range wise they're quite reasonable. 2230 range only L size available in this. Next variety what I'm showing is again very different variety. A beautiful yellow top with sharara bottom. This one is also georgette material base, and you can see multicolor thread embroidery done over it. The piece is quite different. So you'll have bell sleeves along with this, and you'll have this bottom, different bottom, This is also in Sharara bottom. So if you want to have going for something Sharara bottom light colors, you can definitely go in for this. This is a yellow color what I'm showing you, and this is the chunni netted dupatta. And this I've got one more color, got this blue color and this one more. So both the colors are really good. If you do not have this color combinations, you can definitely go in for this. See again your Sharara bottom. And range wise also they are quite reasonable. Range is only 2250, size available L size, and this is the dupatta along with this. So different variety altogether. Both the colors are really bright, really excellent. Good for party wears and uncommon variety also. This is one more uncommon variety. If you're looking for something for black, you can definitely go in for this piece. Definitely very different piece. And all of the dresses come with sleeves. We'll attach the sleeves and give it to you. Nice embroidery pattern done on the neck with mirror work, bead work, zardoshi work, and this mirror work also quite different, multicolor thread. You'll have a straight pant bottom again with this, and you'll have a lovely pink color dupatta in a good contrast with all four side border. Border is done with gotapatti patchwork. And this I've got one more color. If you're going for black, you can go in for black. If you don't have black, you can go in for this mustard color. So both the colors are really good, but the embroidery pattern changes a bit. In this you've got this mirror work, in this you've got this sequence work spread throughout the dress. Color combination wise, both the varieties are really good. This is the bottom, and again a similar dupatta along with this one also. And range wise both the same. Range is it's only 2310 for, and I've got XL size also in this. The price of XL might vary from L size. It might be a bit higher. And this next variety what I'm showing is, this one is also very different. Nice gray color, very different gray color. And you can see the embroidery pattern. So gray with this peach and pink color embroidery done over it, and lovely sleeves you'll have. Sleeves also got a good border at the end, and I've got a straight pant bottom. Straight pant bottom again also has a very good similar kind of embroidery done at the bottom end part of the bottom also. Straight pant bottom, and the combinations which are used in the embroidery, this chunni is given in the same combination with all dewdrops. The pink and peach combination, it looks really excellent. The price is also quite reasonable. It's only 2450 range. So different variety. Don't miss the collections. The collections are really beautiful. And this is one more good variety. This comes in handloom silk. Very different, very sober, very. If you're going for office wear and also, this will look very good. The cloth is also quite comfortable. Nice block print done on both the sides. Center you'll have a panel embroidery, and beautiful mirror work done on the neck. And you'll have this cotton chudi bottom along with this, very different, very rare nowadays. And you'll have a nice georgette dupatta along with the dress. See, nice georgette dupatta with block print. So beautiful concept, and range is only 2450 again. A very different piece for 2450. Uncommon boutique wear kind of stuff. Next variety is again a different variety. All the collections what I'm showing you are totally different combinations. This is one more very different variety, and all for value for money concept. This comes in Banarasi silk with Banarasi buttas over it, and nice zardoshi work done on the neck, 3/4 sleeves. And you'll have again having straight pant bottom along with this, and a lovely dupatta along, pure Banarasi dupatta along with this. 100% pure Banarasi dupatta. See, different variety altogether. And the range for this one is 2680 only. So varieties are totally different. Don't miss the collections. If you like the collections, book your piece as fast as possible, because the collections might be available for next 1-2 days only. So this is one more gown type variety, the very different gown type variety. I've got two colors in this: georgette material base, lightweight chiffon base, not in georgette, lightweight chiffon base. You'll have a lovely embroidery done on the flare of the dress, and similar kind of embroidery is done on the neck part also, and you'll have a beautiful waistline. And the dupatta is also really good in this. The similar kind of embroidery which is done on the flare and the neck is done on the dupatta also, and range is quite reasonable. 2750 you have got this dupatta. See, different variety. I got one more blue color in this, very different color. Both the colors are really good, really different. If you do not have this color combinations, you can definitely go in for this. You've got a legging in this, but you can use it as pure gown. You'll have a camcan inside, so your flare will stand when you wear it. See, I've got a camcan inside, so your flare will stand. Nice variety. And you'll have this dupatta also along with this. So totally different concept. Range wise it's quite reasonable, 2750 range only the pieces. The next variety what I'm showing is again a very different piece. This also comes in georgette material, but it comes in a crushed variety. It's a pure gown variety, totally unique concept. See, beautiful gown and equally good work down on the neck. You can see have a very different work on the neck, and range of this is quite reasonable. It's 2850 range only. In this I've got two colors. I've shown the red color already, and this is the mustard color in this. So both the colors are really good. They look very amazing when you wear them. And next thing what I'm showing is again a different variety. It comes in georgette material, totally a new concept, new variety. If you want to go have something new, you can definitely go in for this. Very nice body with work, and you'll have this short flare top. This comes again with a sharara bottom and nice multicolor thread embroidery done in the flare. You'll have the sharara bottom, and for the top also you'll have bell sleeves and netted dupatta. So piece is quite different, and range for this one is only 2950 range. Excellent variety. You can just have a look. Very different variety. Next variety what I'm showing is again a different concept. This is in short anarkali, comes in chignon material. So lightweight variety with all step type colors given in the dress with frills. Beautiful work done on the neck. Nice sober embroidery with sequence work. You'll have mirror work in the center with thread embroidery. Backside you'll have this again thread embroidery with sequence work, and you'll have a straight pant bottom. As the length of the top is bit short, the flare, the straight pant will be visible from the bottom. Straight pant, and you'll have a fancy dupatta along with this. Nice netted dupatta with small sequence work all done throughout the dupatta. So it's quite different. The piece variety is quite different again. Range is very reasonable, 3030 range only. So very attractive price piece at very attractive rate. Next variety is again a totally different variety. Very different variety. Top it looks like in straight cut. Inside you'll have a big flare. I'll just show you the piece. Totally different variety. You'll have a flare inside, and very decent work down on the neck putty is also very different with Banarsi buttas on Banarsi border on the sleeves, and you'll have this palazzo bottom along with this. The piece is totally different. It looks very gorgeous when you wear it. And this is the dupatta along with this. So dupatta, full dupatta in silk material with lurex, and the range for this one is 3030 only. Next variety what I'm showing is this also very different variety. You can have a look. This again comes in short anarkali type of a pattern. 11 two. I've got two colors in this. This is the front part, and this is the back part. So very different variety. This is the front, and you'll have the sharara bottom at the along with this. This is the pink color what I showed you, and this is one more green color in this. So both the colors are really good. If you do not have this colors, you can definitely go in for this variety. See, totally different variety. Embroidery is also very beautifully done. Very beautiful done. Embroidery is also very beautiful done. And this again you'll have in sharara bottom. And range for this one is 3660 only. Unique variety for 3660. Got many more similar patterns in the store. We can show you on video call. And the next variety what I'm showing is it comes in very beautiful navy blue color with mirror works on the sides, and beautiful ikat cloth box cullies, and beautiful mirror work on the sides, and the same mirror will continue on the back side also. And you can see the neckline is very beautiful. Neck pattern is also very beautiful embroidery done on the neck, and the sleeves are again very different designer sort of sleeves, and you'll have a pink border running throughout the dress, and for that reason we have got this contrast pink color dupatta. And price for this one is also quite reasonable, and the range for this one is only 3690 for L size. Only L size available. So friends, these are the collections today. If you like the collections, please like our video, share our video, and subscribe our channel. And these are the collections for today. See you soon with new collections. Thank you very much.